Hey guys, welcome to Physical Education. I'm Coach Holland.
I'm Coach Dell.
And I'm Coach Chastain.
And we're going to be your PE teachers this year. Everybody's taking PE this year. We're going to have a great time, but it's going to be a little different than years past. We're in these times where we don't really know what's going on, so we're going to have to play this by ear a little bit. What we do know is it's going to be fitness-based. We're going to do a lot of fun activities, but fitness-based. One thing that has changed is you will not dress out for PE. We will not dress out for PE, so you don't need to bring any PE clothes, okay? But guys, you know, and the 7th graders coming up, you guys can wear PE clothes to school anyway. Those go with the dress code, so you guys are fine if you want to wear PE clothes to school. Girls, I got you covered through August and September. You can wear PE clothes to school if you want to. You don't have to. You can do PE in your regular clothes. That's fine. But if you want to wear PE clothes in the month of August and September, because it's so hot, you can. Just remember, you know, your shorts do have to cover, okay? We know girls' athletic shorts do not go along with our guidelines for dress code, but for August and September, you can wear athletic shorts and a t-shirt to school if you want to. We're excited about this year. There's a lot of unknowns, but you know what? We're all in this together. Can't wait to see you soon.
All right, see you.
Hey, the only requirement, okay, for PE is you do need tennis shoes. You do need tennis shoes. Most of the days we will be outside, and so the requirement is tennis shoes. Also, you need to bring a water bottle to school each day. We'll have the fill-up water fountains, so everybody needs a water bottle. Make sure your name is on it, or you have some type of covering that you know that one is yours.